Good morning, class. Dr. Pyatt here. Welcome to week 5. I will post that video shortly. This is for week 4 grades and comments. So thank you all for diligently working so hard. I know it gets difficult at this point in the class because we're cranking it up. I'm grading a little harder, but that is my job to get you to where you need to be. So you need to look at the grade comments. Every week I'm writing the same stuff to some people, and apparently you're not reading that or discerning that or applying it, so you're losing points. So let's go over week 4. So discussion boards. Excuse me. We have our original post, 300 words, 2 in-text citations, 2 references, 2 response posts, 150 words, 1 in-text citation, 1 reference. I have an extra credit question in there. That's the ethical dilemma question. If you answer that, you get extra credit. And then everyone needs to answer the class participation. So normally I take 30% of the class and write to 30% of you. I decided it is better to have all of you respond to me so that we could all learn from each other. So that is why I'm doing that. So it is not an option for you to respond to me. You have to respond to me. This is class participation points. If you did not respond to me, you lost 5 points. So, not trying to be difficult, but we need to learn from each other. This is an ethics class. I want you to look at what each other writes and see and learn from each other and look at different points of view. So some of you said my question was tough this week, the impeachment question. I don't care what you write. It's out there in the media. As an organizational ethics professor, I look at ethical problems and decision making every day. So I thought that was a good thing to look at from an organizational ethic perspective. I don't care if you're pro-Trump or do not like President Trump. That's regardless to me. What I wanted to see is your thinking if it's ethical, the impeachment process. So it's a little tough question. I understand that, but I was looking for your thoughts, your critical thinking skills, because every day we run into these kind of decisions. We see it in the media every day. You will see it in your organization every day. Doesn't mean you have to agree with it, but you have to be able to critically respond. That is what this class is designed to do, to teach you to critically respond using citations, using references, engaging in critical thinking, being able to synthesize, evaluate, and putting together cohesive thoughts. So that is what a doctoral program does. It should do. That is what I'm here to do. So that is why we're doing that. The 5 minds, again, please use your subheadings. I think everyone's doing that. 3 references for all written assignments. And again, my pet peeve is some of you are still not looking at my grading comments. Title page, it's running head, capital R, little UNNING, little H, EAD, colon, title of your paper in caps. The subsequent pages in the flush left header is the title of the paper in caps. So some of you are losing minuscule points for that, but I know it's little, but we need to do that. Conclusions. We need to apply a conclusion in everything we do. When you're at work, we need to have a conclusion statement. We need to have an introduction. We introduce the problem. We go through the narrative. We go through the subheadings. We end up with a conclusion. So that is not an option. We have to get in that realm of thinking. Let's go to your ethical work plans. Overall, really good, impressive. Please make sure you're putting in for the final submission in week 6, how are you going to apply this? So a lot of you are writing mini lit reviews, excellent lit reviews, but I need to see how you're going to apply that for yourself. So please, each and every one of you, make sure if you're doing a mini lit review, whatever that topic is, ethical decision making, for example, do your little lit review there and then tell me how you're going to apply that for yourself. That is why we do this. Week 5, I will discuss that shortly. We're doing your contribution to your study problem statement. So I will resubmit that to you in a video with the requirements for that. So please be cognizant of what we're doing here. We're almost done. Finish strong. Some of you have late assignments. Please get those in. Unless you get prior authorization from me, you will get late points. So again, this is a doctoral program. I hate to keep saying this over and over again, but we have to think and engage at a higher level. So again, if you have any questions or comments, please contact me. Otherwise, I will talk to you all shortly. Thank you. Have a great day and have a great week 5. Thank you.